Boom Candy Challenge Prank.
Yay!
Pag nakuha mo yung maanghang, sabihin, maanghang pa rin. Pag nakuha mo yung sour, this what will taste. Pag nakuha mo yung, ang tawag dito, parang taste bad. It's well like that. Ito, pag nakuha mo yung matabang, itong orange. So, will be open. At saka yung sa loob niya, I mean yung labas niya, kulay white sila, mga candy. Pero pag kinain mo, magugulat kayo. Maanghang na pala kinain nyo, sour, ganito, ganyan, yan. So, let's open. I already opened it. Be careful. So, guys, careful lang sa scissors. So hard to cut because it's so tigas. I already opened it, but it's so hard to cut. There. And we're gonna...
Is that?
There. Look, guys. Puro white siya, guys. So, wait a minute. Dalang. Wow. Para siya mukhang Mentos. Pero pag kinain mo, gugulat ka talaga.
Ito siya.
Yan. So, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, and this extra muna. Okay? So, 7 kami lahat. So, we're going to boom. Tatalikod muna si Sarla. Okay, talikod ka muna. 3 boom siya at 3 heart tayo, guys. So, boom. Ay, hindi. Boom. Yeah. Kaya ka na.
Boom. Done.
Okay. Sino muna una?
Me.
Okay. Safe.
Spicy.
Now, I hope that this is safe. Guys, I'm so scared. Now you turn. Ano yung taste na yun? Hindi ko alam. Yan nakuha mo. Saan nakuha? Safe.
Tamis ka.
Look ay lang. Ate,
Dyan.
ano?
Kaya mo na.
Safe ate? Safe ate?
Safe ba?
Kainin mo na.
Safe muna. Gusto lang.
Always say safe.
Babe. Why so spicy?
Ano yun? Ang anghang! Grabe!
Maybe it's a candy challenge spicy.
Now, you turn. Safe.
Utan.
I know where is your bomb, no? Akin di pa diretso yun. Sa'yo pa diretso?
Pass again.
Okay, safe ba to? Hindi ko nakuha. Okay.
It's very spicy now. I know your boom.
Hoy! Boom ba yun?
Look. I know your boom.
Anghang na naman!
And me.
Now you turn.
What?
Ano
Safe?
yun? Wasabi! Wasabi! Hate ko pa naman yun.
Ate. Ito na kain ka.
Boom! Charis.
How about you? Other one.
Wasabi yung...
Look ate, or safe. Or not. Safe?
Wait, I need water.
And
Isang
try.
boom lang ha, isang boom.
One boom only.
Boom!
Okay, how about you?
Boom.
Okay.
Mm. Safe ba?
Boom! How about you, Sayla? Boom!
Dalawang hearts.
You're both boom! Okay! What do you say about the candy challenge?
It's good, pero nakain ko yung sour. So yummy. Mama, do you want try?
Taste what?
Tastes good.
Good?
I'm different. I hate the sour.
Sour.
And the spicy.
Spicy.
Yeah.
This one is spicy and this one is sour.
Try.
And this is what's bitter?
Yeah, bitter.
And the other one is what?
The other one is, the orange one is so, tastes bad.
I get this. Yellow.
Okay, that's it. Let me try.
Okay, let's try, Mommy.
Baka spicy yan.
Tignan natin. Ano kaya? Ano to? Ano yun?
It looks like
What?
ordinary candy.
Ordinary. What taste?
This neck. Ate, this neck.
Let's
ito?
try like fruit candy.
Fruit. Sabihin, matabang, maano ba? Parang taste bad. Ano ba?
It's good.
What is here?
Okay.
Let's eat the extra candy.
Okay.
Bye! Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Goodbye,
Yay.
guys!
Bye.